Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add control panel to this PC in Windows 11. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, going to your search in Windows, and you can type a registry editor. Now you can see the registry editor. Open a registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After doing this step, select a HP local machine and expand it. After doing this test, select a software and expand it. After doing this test, select a Microsoft and expand it. After doing this test, find out a Windows. Now you can see that. Select the Windows and expand it. After doing this step, select a current version and expand it. After doing this step, find out the Explorer. Now here is the Explorer. Select the Explorer and expand it. Now find out my computer. Now you can see that my computer. Select it and expand it. Now after doing this test, select a namespace and expand it. After doing this step, right click, go to your new key, and after doing this test, set a name is this one. After doing this step, select the namespace, new key, and paste the name. Close it. Close the registry editor. Now you can see data control panel add in my this PC. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.